Digitizing your pump installation has never been so easy. With KSB Guard, you can instantly benefit from greater transparency, better maintenance strategies, less downtime, and lower operating costs. The smart pump monitoring system consists of 4 components: the sensor unit, the transmission and battery unit, the gateway, as well as the web portal and the app. It's all installed and put into action in a matter of minutes. Simply connect the gateway to the 230-volt grid, install the antennas, and choose the optimal position for the mobile phone network reception. The LED display showing signal strength is helpful here. Now the transmission and battery unit can be attached flexibly to the pump. Clean the relevant area. Fix the transmission and battery unit in place using tape or cable ties and activate it by pressing the key. Now connect the sensor unit to the transmission and battery unit. Then attach the sensor unit. For this, apply the adhesive supplied in the pack to the back of the sensor unit. Then stick it onto the bearing support of the pump. Now the pump just has to be registered in the free app and the installation is complete. Current dynamic data can be viewed centrally at any time, as a complete overview and in detail. For example, vibrations and temperature, load conditions and trends, maintenance history and pump documents, and warnings and alarms. Wherever you may be, you will always have all your pumps at hand. And digitizing it all is so easy. To learn more about KSB Guard, visit our website.